Hi guys, it's Angelica. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I want to share with you guys what it is that my husband and I made with our air fryer by Chefman. We had purchased this air fryer about a month ago and we had been throwing ideas of what it is that we should try making first in it. We just never got around to doing it, but finally this weekend, since it was raining and we are being asked to please be socially responsible and stay indoors. If there's no need to go out, just don't go anywhere. So we decided to unbox this finally and make some chicken wings. So if you guys want to know how it is that we make the chicken wings using the Chefman air fryer, stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so this is how the air fryer looks without all the stickers and the warning tags that it comes with. I took them all off. Yes, I did read them before taking them off. And this is how it's asking you to use it. Let me get my camera to focus. So this knob here is the knob for the temperature that you want to set your air fryer at, and this here is the timer for the time that you need to set your food to be cooked at. And then this is how you remove the basket, and then the basket does have this little rack here, and it's removable, so you can either put it there and have food cook on it, or you can just use the basket without the little rack. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna be making two types of flavors with the chicken wings. The chicken wings, you guys, are a little bigger than I thought they were gonna be. The packet said chicken wings, so I picked it up, and this is the one I use right here. It's from Foster Farms, and right here I have about 2 pounds of chicken wings, and we're gonna make buffalo and barbecue. Yum. And I'm going to season them with some salt and some pepper. And you guys, this is a recipe that I'm following from Pinterest. I will go ahead and link it down below. I'm not following step by step, but for the most part, I did the same recipe. So yeah, I'm not sure. The chicken wings that she used on her recipe obviously look smaller than mine, but that's the only difference. Everything else is all the same. Alrighty guys, so the chicken wings have been cooking for about 40 minutes and I did flip them halfway through. So I just hear a ding and I'm pretty sure that means it's ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and look at them. Look you guys, they're so crispy and pretty. Oh my gosh, can you guys hear that crunch? Oh wow. Oh yes, honey bunny. Alright, so I'm gonna do something really quick. I'm gonna go ahead and take them out, and then I'm gonna put another batch of 3 in, and until I'm done with all the ones that I have. So I'll see you guys when all of the chicken wings are ready to be covered in delicious sauce. Alright you guys, so I finally finished air frying all my wings. So what I'm going to do for these 4, I'm going to add some of the red buffalo sauce. I also added a 1/4 of a cup of melted butter and then added it to the sauce and mixed it in. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour this. My hands are clean guys, I promise. Alrighty guys. Alright guys, here are my chicken wings. Crispy, delicious, and they smell amazing. Again, buffalo and barbecue. The only thing you guys is because I made them in batches. The ones that I made first did get a little cold, but that's okay because I threw them in the oven for about 10 minutes at 400 degrees and I just reheated them like that. Also you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pair them up with some french fries because that's the way we like to have our wings, and of course with some ranch. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please you guys remember to stay safe, and yeah, stay safe. Bye.